Hello, my name is Sterling Mercer, and I reside here in Frederick, Maryland. And I just want to give a brief testimony about today's seminar. Just want to thank God for the heart of Craig Brown and his partner for putting this on. I kind of signed up at the last minute, but serving in ministry, we find ourselves a lot of times serving a lot of people and not looking out for ourselves. But this proves to me that we do need healing. Those of us that are leaders and teachers and head of the departments, we put so much time in serving others, and we forget the need that we need as well. And I'm in the automotive trade, and obviously I fix cars for a living, but I do own a car, and my car needs to be regularly maintained and restored. And that's what I found today, and I'm so grateful for having the opportunity to be here. Thank God for Craig, his ministry, and everybody who's here at FCF. And God bless you, Craig. You've been a blessing, man. Thanks.